Hello everyone. Today, we're excited to showcase a newly launched feature called Edit Image. This feature introduces the ability to perform multi-image reference editing. Let's start by opening an existing comic strip. Here, we have a shot of a girl taking a stroll down the street. The steps are as follows. Multi-image reference editing. A. Select a preferred illustration style. For example, oil painting style for the second image. B. Choose a vertical aspect ratio for the image. C. Select the UltraLight model. D. Wait for the generation process. Typically takes 30 seconds to 1 minute. This model provides the optimal balance between quality and performance. As you can see, the storyboard comic has now been transformed into a stunning oil painting style illustration. Background replacement feature. In response to community feedback about background consistency issues, we've introduced a quick function to replace panel backgrounds. A. Select a background image in the same oil painting style. B. Again, choose the UltraLight model and a 2:3 vertical aspect ratio. C. Replace the background image of the current panel. After a short wait, you'll notice the character's background has been replaced with the chosen oil painting style background. Once you reapply it to the comic panel, the issues with style and background consistency will be resolved. We hope you enjoyed this feature. See you next time.